100 Gang, it's your boy 100 Gang Nate, back again with another video. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're old to the channel, thank you for always supporting me. I really appreciate it. As you know, go ahead and get some 100 Gang apparel at 100gangclothing.com. But today, I want to let you guys know we have a big announcement. We are finally getting the first maintenance check done on the Big Z, and I'm very excited about it because now I can finally push the car to the limits. We're finally done with the break-in period, so now we can really get some crazy pulls going with the car, and I'm just so excited. So we finna head up to Chevy, see what they talking about, get it checked in, and get her cleaned up, and you know what, we just gonna start going crazy. But before we get into all that, let's go ahead and get this cold start. Let's go. So guys, we're here at the service lot here, and guess what I spot? It looks like we have a Cadillac CT V5. Well, is it CT5V? I don't know, but that thing look crazy. Just checked in for service, and I'm walking around the lot, and look at this. We got a crazy C8, yellow C8 on 4 Giottos, man. Look at this. This junk is nasty. Got the tints on it. I'm trying to figure out who this is. My boy out here stunting. He said I'll put the 40s on it. So we finna go inside real quick. I wanna see what they got for sale on the showroom floor. You know we gotta check out the showroom floor for sure. Yo, got a Copo engine. Got the Chevrolet Camaro Copo with a C8 R edition. Let's see what else they got out here. Got some more C8s out here. Another C8 red one right there. BMW. I think it's like an M4, M2 over there. Got a 392 over there. It's gray C8 for sure right here. With the red guts, ill. You already know how I feel about it. You know, manager inside, he was tripping a little bit, but I got us a little bit of footage in there, so you know, everybody be tripping on content creators. Got the LT1. I think this is what color is this? This thing right here is nice. I like this color. It's red. I think it used to, what's it called? Like garnet red or something like that? I'm not sure. But yeah, they got a couple Camaros lined up. Nothing really new on the block. Got LT1s. Got the C8s, man. How y'all feel about the C8s? I like the C8, but I'm waiting for like the Z06 to release. Like, I feel like the Z06 is gonna be like a game changer. But in terms of like the Z51, I feel like the Z01 trumps that every day of the week. Like, I'm not gonna get a Z51 C8 when a Z01 one LE exists with the Z06 motor in it. Well, here we go. Speaking of Z06, is this one? Well, this is, no, I don't think this is, I don't think this is Z06. I think this is a regular Corvette. But yeah, man, they got a couple lined up right here. Looks like they got a matte gray pickup truck right here. That junk look nasty. And I told y'all before, like I said before, they got a nasty Cadillac over here too. Look, they got my car over here just running, man. I'm kind of like, bro, gas is expensive. Y'all didn't turn my car off. Like, just got my car running. So we got right here, they call this what, a Black Widow. It's a 2022 Silverado Black Widow edition. Jump right here, mean. What y'all think about it? They want 56 for it. That jump look mean. I like the color. Jump look nasty to me. What y'all think? We got another one right here. So this one got the Z package on it. I don't know if this is new though. They want 82 for this one. Rocky Ridge edition. I don't know if I'm paying 82 for it though. But there we go. Look at that. Got that CT5 over there. That V Blackwing. I don't even know if it's Blackwing. Is it Blackwing? Might be. I will go get a closer look, but I don't know if it's somebody's vehicle. And it seems like today people are like on high tensions around here, so we're not gonna cause any fights because I don't want to beat nobody up. But yeah, man, we over here getting the Chevy service. I'm super excited because now that means that I'll be able to do full pulls without having to hold back and worrying about tearing the car up, because they say supposedly if you abide by these rules, the car will last longer. We want the Z to last long because we gonna be tearing up the streets in the Big Z. I plan on having the baddest Z on the streets. So we're gonna get to it. Let's go. So guys, right now I'm finna get in here and get the coffee, you know. I'm a Chevy customer now, so you know I gotta be in here and be bougie a little bit. Got the French vanilla, you know I gotta make me a little bit of French vanilla. I can't drink no other coffee but French vanilla. I don't know how y'all be doing it with the dark and black stuff. But shouts out to y'all because y'all straight warriors. Look, my baby about to get service right now. Look, she in there about to get service. Look at him. He look too happy. Look, he look too happy. We're gonna have to get him up out of there. He look too happy to be in my ZL1. we gonna have to get him slapped up out of there. Honey, we got to go in there and snatch him straight out of there. Bro, they over there lifting my baby up in the air, man. I don't know if I like this. I'm about to go over there and check what's going on, bro. I don't know. Y'all got Big Z up in the air like that. She don't like heights. So I'm about to go over there and see what's going on. I know she don't like heights because I don't like heights. Look at how she going, bro. About an hour wait, they finally got done with the oil change, bro. I'm not coming here again to do oil change. I'm gonna have to learn how to do my own oil changes because I can't be here all night waiting on y'all to take some oil out, put some oil back in. Like, they tweaking. I think they just excited because they seeing the Big Z, so they really trying to take their time. But I'm like, bro, I'm in and out. So Big Z, she finally got her oil change, and I'm really trying to figure out what's going on so long that I can't get my car and go, because now I'm starting to get frustrated. Yeah, I got a dip, son. I got stuff to do. So guys, that was the original video of me getting my first maintenance check done for the Big Z. Obviously, the first oil change was free. I didn't pay nothing because when you buy a car from GM, usually they give you a first service for free. And I got it about 700 miles. I was supposed to get it at like 500, but they were busy. They were booked up, so I had to come back the next week. So I got it about 700 miles. It was free. Besides them taking all day to do it, it was pretty good. And you know, I noticed a big change in the car afterwards. You know, I felt like it got faster, a little bit more gas efficient, started running a little bit better. But yeah, that was the break-in period for that car, for this car at that time. And that's how I went. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you've been with the channel, really appreciate it. Go ahead and put you up some merch from 100gangclothing.com. I'll see you guys again soon. Let's go.